Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Botany Insiders, another session on YouTube. Let's wait for others to join in, then we'll start off with our class, right? Those of you who are there in the class, please make sure that you're confirming whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not in the chat sections. Good evening, Lina. So we'll be discussing few previous year questions and other things related to the December upcoming examination, right? Okay. Okay, let's begin with the class now, right? Others would join in the time being. So, before starting the class, if you're new to Botany Insider, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. In addition, make sure that you are downloading our application. It is available both on iOS as well as on the Android Play stores. So download our application. The link is in the description box. We have a PYQ course running for you all if you are targeting the December examination. So we have a detailed previous year question course running available at very affordable prices. So download our application. The link is in the description box for the course as well. For the application as well. You can download the app and get to know all the details, right? Good evening, Rakesh. Good evening, Anil. Right? Let's begin. One more important thing. So we have a sale price going on right now for the hard copies of CSIR UGC NET December 2023. This is valid till tomorrow only. It was just a 2 days offer. The price is 999. Original price of the notes is 1600. We have reduced the price for 2 days as a sale price. Those of you who wish to get your hard copy notes specifically curated for the December 2023 examination, you can look into the link given in the description box for this particular segment and place your orders for the same. This will be very helpful for your upcoming examination. You'll be able to get the entire thing in one place and you can revise, you can get your concepts clear, right? Sale price is 999, actual price is 1600, and this particular offer is valid till 30th September only, that is till tomorrow. So you can WhatsApp on this particular number for getting any kind of information related to the same. Let's begin with the class now. Right? Before going further into the PYQs, doing some previous year question practices, just understand few of the things. Make sure that because now you have less than 3 months left in your hand, the examination is from 26th to 28th of December, right? So you have to make sure that you are focusing upon few of the important segments. Which are the few segments that you have to focus upon? Very first, most important thing is start your revision at the earliest possible, because the more you revise, try to have at least 4 to 5 revision cycles. Initial 2 revisions will take more time. Then the revision will not take more than like it. The initial 2 revisions should be detailed one, and then the further revisions will take lesser time from your end. So try your revision, try starting your revisions at the earliest possible. Second thing, make sure that you're going ahead with the mock test, or you're going ahead with even the previous year questions, but in the CBT portal, in the CBT mode, you are trying to get a very good hands on this particular thing, because you will be having a problem if you do not get a very good hands on, a very good practice of handling the entire CBT mode properly. So make sure that you are practicing, they make sure that you are giving mock tests on regular basis, because many students have this problem of that like after the examination they complain of not being able to sit for 3 hours in the examination in front of the screen. So make sure that you are making yourself prone to this particular thing from the very beginning, right? In addition to that, do not skip the previous year questions at any cost. You want to do it yourself or you want to have some helping hand for the same, do not skip previous year questions at any cost. Start with June 2023 and do at least till 2017. These papers are a must. Beyond 2017, like before this, you can still go ahead if you have more time, but start with these papers. Start with June 2023 and go in the backward manner because it will help you understand the pattern of the questions that are getting asked. You can see in 2021, 2022 and 2023, the pattern, the level, and the way the questions are getting asked is getting very much enhanced, right? The level of the examination is getting increased. So make sure that you are understanding this entire thing with the help of PYQs. Do not skip the previous year questions at any cost, right? So these are the three main things that you have to focus upon. If you have any doubt, any problem you all are facing during your preparation time, you can ask. Otherwise, let's discuss few of the previous year questions so that you can get few practicing of the same, right? 8 of you are there in the class right now. Just let me know whether all of these things are clear to you or not. Any doubt, any problem, any of the issue that you are facing during your preparation time. If you are sincerely preparing, you have less than 3 months in your hand and you should be focusing upon these three main things: revisions, mocks, and previous year questions. Yes. Clear everyone till here? Proceeding further, right? Should we proceed further now? Okay, let's proceed. Now, let's discuss this particular question. Everyone, try marking down the answer for this particular question. The question is localized increase in the cytosolic protein, cytosolic level of the free calcium 2 plus. These are critical to its function as secondary messengers, right? Calcium 2 plus has one of the important role as a secondary messenger. We all have learned about this particular thing during our unit number 4 preparation, that is your cell signaling and communication, right? Now, over here you have, like there's a protein known as calmodulin, which is a small cytosolic protein. It mediates many cellular effects of calcium 2 plus. Which of the following is not the correct option for the calcium 2 plus and calmodulin interaction? Give it a try to this particular question, everyone. Think about what could be the answer for this question. Read the four statements very effectively, very, very nicely, and then mark the answer for the question in the chat section. Everyone, 9 of you are there in the class right now. Everyone participate and mark down the answer for this. Yes, mark the answer for the question, everyone. It's a very, very simple question. Very good, Niharika. Very good, Lina. Others also participate in the class. So good to see you, Niharika, after so many days. How's your preparation going on? Mark the answer, everyone, quickly. If you read the options carefully and if you know about the basic concept behind this particular concept, you'll be able to mark the answer. First option is each calmodulin binds to 6 calcium molecules, calcium ions in a cooperative fashion. Then the binding of calcium 2 plus causes the calmodulin to undergo a conformational change, leading to active calmodulin. Then calcium 2 binding of the calcium 2 plus is cooperative. A small change in the level of the cytosolic calcium 2 plus leads to a large change in the level of active calmodulin. Then one of the many enzymes activated by Ca2 plus calmodulin is CAMP phosphodiesterase, which degrades CAMP and links the CAMP and CAMP signaling. Very, very easy question. If you know the complete information behind this, the answer for this particular question is option number 1, because each calmodulin does not bind to 6 of the Ca2 plus, it binds to 4 of the calcium 2 plus ion channels. Okay, do not forget this. Very easy question, straightforward question, and it was a 2 marker. That is, it was a part B question that was asked in the examination. Okay, almost everyone who participated, all of you got the answer correct. Very good. Let's proceed further. A is the correct answer. Next question, similar concept, similar to the previous one. Question is, in the context of signaling, the enzyme protein kinase A, that is PKC, protein kinase C depends upon multiple molecules for its complete activation. This activation depends on the presence of which of the following? First one, phosphatidylserine in the inner leaflet of plasma membrane. Second, Ca2 plus. Third, phosphatidyl ethanolamine on the inner leaflet. And the fourth one, diacylglycerol present in the inner leaflet of the plasma membrane, right? Which of the following options represents the combination of all correct molecules? Give it a try to this question, everyone. Very simple concept. If you know the complete facts behind the plasma membranes, distribution of the various phospholipid that it have, you'll be able to get the answer easily. This question is from unit number 2 and 4 combined, interlinked question. Try it out, everyone. Simple question. Very good, Neha. Others also participate in the class. Read, understand, recall, and mark. These should be your 4 steps. Read the question carefully, understand the question carefully, recall the fact related to the same, and then mark it. This should be your 4-step formula for every question in the examination. And many students make a mistake while reading itself. So make sure that you are focusing upon your reading part. You're not reading the question in a hurry. You're reading it very, very slowly because it will help you understand the concept. Very good. Let's look into the answer now. Yes, the answer for this particular question is option number 4. Why option number 3 is incorrect? Reason being, phosphatidyl ethanolamine is present on the outer leaflet. It is not present on the inner leaflet of the plasma membrane. Yes, very good. It is present on the outer leaflet. Simple question, direct, straightforward question. Just like completely based upon the facts, right? If you know it, you'll be able to mark it. Answer is option number 4. Very easy. Next question. Give it a try to this. This one is from June 2023. Recessive lethal alleles are never completely eliminated from the population because 4 options in front of you. You need to mark down why recessive lethal alleles can never be completely eliminated from the population. Try it out, everyone. Very simple. Mark the answer for the question. Mark the answer, everyone, quickly. Very good. Others also give it a try. Very simple question. Recessive lethal alleles are never completely eliminated from the population. Why? Lethal alleles are always conditional. They have selective advantage. They protect the organisms from other deleterious mutations and they are maintained in the population as heterozygotes. Mark the answer quickly. Very easy question. Two of you have already marked it. Others also mark the answer. Okay, let's see. The answer for this particular question is option number 4 because they are maintained in the population as heterozygotes. That's why they can never be completely eliminated from the population. Okay, remember about this. Fourth is the D option is the correct answer for this because they're always conditional. Incorrect. Then selective advantage, no, lethal alleles can never have a advantage to the organism. Then they protect from other mutations, completely illogical statement. D is the correct answer for this question. Give it a try to this particular question now, everyone. Reduction in the frequency of the heterozygote genotype with a concomitant increase in the frequency of the homozygous genotype in the context of random mating is due to which of the following? You have to tell why there is a reduction in the heterozygous genotype with the increase in the homozygous genotype. What is the reason behind the same? Give it a try to the question, everyone. 9 of you are there in the class. Participate. The more you practice, the better results you are going to get. You will not be able to perform well if you do not solve out the questions, if you do not try out the questions. So, give it a try to this question, everyone. Very simple question. For the previous question, also, only 2 of you participated. Make sure that you are participating in the class. It will help you learn. Done, everyone? Yes, the answer for this particular question is option number B. Intense inbreeding leads to the reduction in the frequency of heterozygotes and it leads to the increase in the frequency of the homozygotes. Very simple question, not at all difficult. If you know the concept behind it, you won't be able to, like, you won't get it incorrect, right? One more question. Give it a try to this question, everyone. Which of the following statement related to phytohormone ABA is correct? Phytohormone ABA, abscisic acid, which is a stress hormone, right? Give it a try to the question, everyone. Mark the answer for this. It's also factual. Many of you are not studying, right? Many of you have like left the preparation. You're not preparing properly, not learning things properly. Niharika, mark the answer for the question. Leena, mark the answer. Such a simple question. Answer for this is option number C. Inactivation of ABA is involves its oxidation for to phasic acid. You had to find out the correct option. So C is the correct answer for this particular question. All the other options are incorrect. A, B, and D are incorrect. It does not occur entirely in the plastid. There are two organelles involved. Right? Remember about this. Very simple question. Okay, one more question, last question. Which of the following leads to the induction of defense in PDF 1.2 in Arabidopsis? Mark the answer for this now. Wounding salicylic acid, dichloroiso, nicotinic acid, and ethylene. Mark the answer for this question now. Easy again. CSIR always gives the paper in a very balanced manner. You just have to be very smart enough during your preparation time and focus only upon the important things. Last question, quickly mark the answer for this. Very good, Kanika. Lena, you are there in the course, right? You're there in the full course, in the crash course. I've already taken up that particular question. Mark the answer for this question. Which of the following leads to the induction of defense in PDF 1.2 in Arabidopsis? Answer is option number D, that is ethylene. We discussed about this particular thing in the class as well. And previously also I've taken up this particular thing on YouTube also. Even then, many people are marking the answer wrong. Why? Not revising properly, not learning properly, right? Please start studying very nicely. Exam is round the corner. It's not very far. You'll see December coming within a blink of eye. Right? So these were the questions. Just let me know which type of classes should I take up on YouTube quickly. I'll arrange the classes accordingly. We'll be having regular classes on YouTube as well from now on. So just let me know. Should we take up like topics or should we go ahead with the questions itself? You can let us know after the, like, those of you who will be watching recording, you can let us know in the comment sections also. In addition, we have an offer going on right now for the hard copies. Those of you who wish to place your orders, the link is in the description box. You can directly click on the link to get your hard copies for the December examination. The actual pricing is 1600. Till tomorrow, the pricing is 999 itself. Okay. Just for till tomorrow, you'll be having the pricing till 999. If any one of you wish to enroll, and get your hard copies. You can get yourself these hard copies. It will be very, very beneficial for you, right? In addition, we have a PYQ course running. Those of you who wish to enroll in this PYQ course, you can download the app and get yourself enrolled in the same. All the links are in the description. Check those links. And if you have any difficulty, any problem in any of the points, you can WhatsApp us on this number, right? So this is about it. Let's meet in the next class. Okay, Harshit. Okay, Manju. We'll get this done in the next class. We'll take up questions. We'll take up few topics as well. Okay. Bye everyone. Take care.